Nami. Welcome to our first session of PropTech Japan Vision. PropTech Japan Vision is a series of interviews with key guests who are active in the PropTech ecosystem and community in Japan. I am pleased to welcome our first guest, Mr. A. Hirai from estie. Hello, Mr. Hirai. How are you today?
Great, thank you. And you?
I'm good, thank you. So, please introduce yourself and please let me know what estie does.
Okay. estie is a Japanese PropTech startup which provides aggregated commercial real estate database for all players in the industry, like landlords, investors, brokers, and property managers. On our platform, users can see all the data needed for asset management activities such as asking rents, stacking plans, future supply, and the long-term forecast of submarkets. Landlords and property managers can market their vacant places easily, and brokers can find best fit spaces for their clients quickly with our dataset. Um, I started this business as a startup on April 2019. Before that, after graduating the University of Tokyo in 2014, I began my career as a real estate investment associate at Mitsubishi Estate, which is one of the largest Japanese real estate operating companies. During the time, I have been working on strategic planning and capital budgeting for international real estate investment. And in my last year at Mitsubishi Estate, I was in charge of leasing activities of prime office portfolio owned by Mitsubishi Estate in Tokyo.
Okay, oh, I see. Thank you. So, you've actually worked for the company for about 5 years before you established estie?
Yes, I have been working for Mitsubishi Estate for 5 years.
Mm-hmm. Okay, I see. So in 2019, you had opened up estie. Please explain the background. Why did you open up this business, the establishment of estie?
Okay. When I was working on market research in major global gateway cities such as New York, Los Angeles, London, Singapore at Mitsubishi Estate, I frequently used commercial property databases provided by CoStar, MSCI, and other technology companies. Besides that, I saw the exponential growth of cutting-edge PropTech startups like BTS, Realme, and Comstock. However, I noticed after changing my role with the Mitsubishi Estate that there is no similar service in Japan. Tokyo has a vast amount of office stock to reach about 650 million square feet, which is the largest in the world, compared to the second largest, New York's 450 million square feet. I felt that this is a very attractive opportunity to establish the future industry's basic infrastructure.
Okay, so Mr. Hirai, please tell us the current status and the issue of CREtech industry in Japan.
Okay, as I said before, there is no aggregated commercial real estate database in Japan because most of the traditional players are not used to data-driven decision makings. When explaining the background of ST's business to those who are not familiar with the Japanese real estate market, almost all people respond, I can't believe such a primitive situation. How do Japanese asset managers conduct their business without a proper database? But sadly, it is how it is in Japan. Because of the lack of consolidated property databases, tech startups in Japan are having difficulties in entering the market and creating values to the industry. We SD can be the first data aggregator and thus an infrastructure of the traditional industry.
Okay, that's very exciting. Thank you. So as we all know, the COVID-19 had a very big impact for all the industries, and real estate is one of it as well. I would like to know the influence of COVID-19 and also the future trends in CRE tech industry.
Um, this is a difficult question to answer because the influences of COVID-19 is not clear at this moment. The only thing I can say is that all property owners and managers will have to explore other ways to market their office space. One such example is online marketing. Though most traditional Japanese real estate companies have not recognized their website as an important marketing channel, more and more tenants are expecting to start looking for their workspace via the internet. Therefore, we provide them the online marketing channel in estie.jp, where over half of major office brokerage firms in Tokyo is now working as our partner agent. Business support applications for traditional players to market commercial spaces online will be getting more and more popular on and after COVID-19 pandemic.
Wow, that is very impressive. Only for 1 year, you have covered about the half of Tokyo's office already registered in your platform.
Yes.
That wow. Okay. But on the other hand, I heard there is quite a small number of CRE tech startups in Japan, and I would like to know why. Is it like not that big?
Mhm. I think the major problem is the lack of mobility of human resources in the industry, especially in the commercial real estate industry. Before I started SD, I heard that there are only a few ex-employees of Mitsubishi Estate who established their own startup within the past 20 years. Recently, the number of residential tech startups are growing. However, people in the commercial real estate field is not yet entering the startup community in Japan. This is the very reason, I think, of the small number of commercial real estate tech startups in this country.
Okay. All right. I see. Thank you. So how your company ST is going to do the future prospects?
We are willing to build the first Japanese commercial real estate database as the industry's basic infrastructure, which can be a compass to make data-driven decisions for all real estate companies. After the spread of COVID-19 in Japan, many real estate enterprises in the country have started using our consolidated service platform in the context of trying to change both their mindset and business operation to adjust to the new normal situation of office market. As a result, our monthly recurring revenue has increased to 20-fold in the last 6 months. We will be the best partner for the whole industry's digital transformation.
Okay, wow, that's very interesting. So actually, the COVID-19 had quite a good influence on the way of digitalizing your industry,
Yeah.
as there's a number of the companies registering on your platform.
Yes.
Okay, all right. So thank you very much for your time. I was very excited to hear about what your business does and what your backgrounds are.
Thank you for your time.
Okay, thank you.